and welcome to another dazzling episode of Lounge Nights, where we embark on a journey through the shimmering world of nightlife and culinary delights across the country. I'm Nia Lakra, and tonight our spotlight turns to the enchanting Illusion Club and Kitchen, nestled in the heart of Gurgaon, which whispers its tale of glamour and gastronomy into the night sky.
I miss you. Yes, I told you I miss you. I miss you. Yes, I told you I miss you. I miss you. Straight through the fire. I miss you. I miss you. I miss you. Yes, I told you.
Entering Illusion Club and Kitchen feels like stepping straight onto the set of Vicky Kaushal's high-energy dance number, Tauba Tauba. The vibe hits you instantly. You're not just at a club, you are in the middle of your own music video. Illusion doesn't just play with light, it dances with it. The ultra-modern design, crafted with meticulous attention to detail, features an amphitheater style.
This is a proper nightclub. It's not a pub or fine dining restaurant.
The centerpiece of the club is a breathtaking, world-class light system suspended from the ceiling and is the largest of its kind in the region. This innovative design, enhanced by MI bar lights, casts a mesmerizing glow across the dance floor, creating an enchanting illusion that makes it the undisputed highlight of the venue.
We have just focused on the lightning and the music, and we have the soundproofing. All the walls having a soundproofing. So basically, these are the main things. And the food is a multi-cuisine also.
With the capacity to accommodate up to 600 guests, Illusion Club and Kitchen takes pride in being an inclusive space, offering separate LGBTQ a friendly washroom.
We have a concept that we sell the tables, and we especially have VIP cabanas where we start from 80,000 rupees per table. And then we have other table also, which go to up to 1,50,000 rupees. People can buy their table and they can enjoy their food and their drinks.
I'm a dirty.
The footfall is really good on weekend, especially on Wednesday, Friday and Saturday.
I'm a dirty.
It has multiple dance floors and a massive stage for electrifying performances by renowned DJs.
Every week we have segregated. Some like Wednesday we have put it the commercial and Bollywood mix and match. Then the Fridays are different music, and then the Saturday we start to play the techno. So right now we have just stopped that. So we are more on a commercial and Hindi Bollywood songs.
The club aims to keep the energy levels of the patrons soaring with electrifying sound and beats of club commercial, techno and EDM music. Now let's move towards the bar section. At Illusion Club and Kitchen, the bar is the heartbeat of the whole operation. They've got a lineup of premium beverages. We're talking about top-tier stuff like Rampur, the crown jewel of Indian single malts, and Jaisalmer, a gin so smooth it feels like a dessert breeze in a glass. Each sip is an experience crafted with a kind of precision that turns a drink into a moment. Whether you're winding down or gearing up, this bar has just the portion to keep the night rolling. So, as you settle in with a premium drink, surrounded by the club's electric vibe, you'll feel the energy of the night come alive, one perfectly crafted sip at a time. I have got amazing two bartenders on my right and on my left. So after going through the real scene of hell and heaven, I have landed up to the bar segment where creativity will gonna meet the taste buds. But the thing is that आप दोनों में से सबसे best cocktail बनाता कौन है? Oh my god, both the bartenders are saying me, but how do I believe them up? The only way of testing their skill is मैं आप दोनों को जिन बेस्ड कॉकटेल बनाने का मौका दूंगी. So the ingredient is Jaisalmer India's crafted gin. But where have you guys hidden the bottle? Bottle कहाँ छुपा के रखी तुम लोगों ने? Finally, so आप इतनी रॉयल ड्रिंक से रॉयल पोशन क्या बना रहे हो आउट ऑफ जैसलमेर इंडियाज क्राफ्टेड जिन. सो आप लोगों का टास्क यही है कि आपको ये बेस यूज करना है जैसलमेर का ड्रिंक और अच्छा सा कॉकटेल बनाना है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Oh my god, okay, I'm loving this spirit. Look at the weight. I am seeing the real task and the fight for this amazing cocktail, so I'm excited. Siddharth seems quite faster than Prahlad. क्या डाला आपने?
जूस, बीटरूट, रोज वाटर.
Okay, and आपने क्या यूज किया सिद्धार्थ?
फ्लावर, लाइम जूस, जॉर्ज जूस.
सिद्धार्थ को ज्यादा सीरियस ले चुका है इसको. ये इतने जल्दी जल्दी में कर रहा है. He's almost done. So there we go. Siddharth is done. Now it's Prahlad's time. And the best about it, they made sure कि ये बहुत girly drink हो. So I've got rosy pink on my right hand side and left hand side some wine beetroot color. So okay, presentation बहुत amazing है सिद्धार्थ and Prahlad. अब बस ये देखना है कि taste कौन सा सबसे अच्छा करता है. It's nice, giving me the little citrus feel. And let me see, अब इसमें क्या feel आ रही है? This is more sweeter, more like really coriander का भी feel आ रही है. Okay, I guess that's because of जैसलमेर or something. या आपने अलग से डाला है? नहीं डाला है, nice.
जो जैसलमेर के राजा थे उनको ट्रिब्यूट करने के लिए ये बनाया गया था. तो इसमें जो फ्लेवर हैं मतलब 11 बोटेनिकल्स हैं, जिसमें से 7 बोटेनिकल्स हमारे इंडिया के आते हैं.
Wow.
ऑरेंज पील हो गया, लेमन हो गया, कोरिएंडर हो गया, समथिंग मतलब बहुत सारे डिफरेंट. और 4 जो थे हमारे वो अदर कंट्री के होते हैं. एंड जूनिपर बेरीज वगैरह.
Wow. So nice. I mean, to who says gin are bad for health? So you both of you guys were amazing. Cheers to the amazing
Cheers.
gin cocktail task.
आई एम मनोज. आई एम एग्जीक्यूटिव शेफ हियर इन इल्यूजन क्लब. एक अच्छे शेफ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है उसकी टीम कैसे हैंडल कर रहा हो और उसकी नॉलेज कितनी है. लड़कों को मोटिवेट कर रहा है कि फीफो है, हाइजीन है, हैजार्ड्स है, क्या नॉलेज है उसकी, क्या उसने सीखा है पीछे और क्या अपने लड़कों को सिखा रहे हैं. वो चीज़ें ज़्यादा मैटर करती हैं.
The culinary experience at Illusion Club and Kitchen promises to be a fusion of global flavors, with a menu crafted from the finest ingredients and a passion for innovation.
हमारे इल्यूजन में बहुत सारी सिग्नेचर डिशें हैं. वैसे तो टर्कीज हमने रखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. मैं बाहर भी था तो टर्कीज फूड लाइट होता है और मसाले ज़्यादा नहीं होते हैं और हेल्दी होता है.
Cuisines offering range from Japanese, Italian, Oriental European, North Indian and Chinese, complemented by exclusive Illusion platters and delights. Privacy and exclusivity are paramount at Illusion Club and Kitchen, with personal butlers assigned to each table. I am in the most favorite part of the entire episode, that is food, and I can't stop myself by seeing such yumlicious and tasteful food. मेरा टेबल पूरा खाने से भर चुका है. So let me quickly introduce. On my right hand side I have Chef Manoj, who is the official chef for the Illusion, and I have on the other side, आज मैं अकेले खाने नहीं आई हूँ. इतना प्लेट टेबल भरा हुआ है तो मैं अपने दोस्त को लेकर आई हूँ करण, हु इज ऑल्सो एन ऑथर एंड अ फूड ब्लॉगर। सो शेफ मुझसे तो रुका नहीं जा रहा, इतने सारे कुजीन टेबल पे हैं, तो सबसे पहले मुझे बताइए वो क्या चीज़ है।
मैम ये प्रॉन हल्टो है, ये वोक्टोस रेड पेपर चिकन
और ये
मैक्सिकन बॉल।
मैक्सिकन बॉल, यार मैं मैक्सिको तो जा नहीं पाई। हाउ अबाउट मी ट्राइंग मैक्सिकन बॉल राइट हियर? हाउ अबाउट यू करण?
I like the Adana kebab here.
करण आप मटन से शुरुआत करिए। शेफ वुड यू माइंड मी टेस्टिंग दिस फर्स्ट?
या श्योर।
Okay, so let me quickly taste. I'm loving this paneer ka thingy. This is a little different, not the as usual taste. तो शेफ इसमें क्या क्या डाला आपने?
ये मैम मैक्सिकन का जो टेस्ट होता है और टैंगीनेस, थोड़ा सा खट्टा हो गया और थोड़ा स्पाइसी, और सब पे ऑल बोथ मिक्स टुगेदर विद द एग बॉल।
This one was like, this is basically minced meat.
Yeah,
made
this is
from
from this is
Adana kebab.
Adana kebab is both from
It's very
Turkish. This
Yeah,
is Turkish.
this is Turkish
Yes.
cuisine. It's little spicy and it's really it's good taste on the palate. And
Minced lamb, some sumac, jatar, and some fresh mints, oregano.
मजा आ गया। तो मी बीइंग अ बिग टाइम फूडी, आप भी फूड इंडस्ट्री से हैं और आप भी फूड से रिलेटेड हैं, तो आप दोनों के लिए एक क्वेश्चन है कि आपके लिए फूड का टेस्ट ज़्यादा मैटर करता है या कैसे प्रेजेंटेशन कराए वो ज़्यादा अच्छा मैटर करता है, या फिर जस्ट बिकॉज फेमस या टेस्ट हो या प्रेजेंटेशन हो या ना बस आने दो?
प्रेजेंटेशन जितना अच्छा होगा अपने खाने का और मन करेगा ज़्यादा, और टेस्ट तो चाहिए ही अच्छा।
So someone has rightly said first impression is the last impression.
impression.
So everyone prefers to eat with the presentation. So what about you, Karan?
yes, definitely nowadays presentation is very important. So we need to have the good presentation also. Plus the food should taste nice also. That will get the repeat customers.
Oh,
for
that's
you.
nice, wonderful. All of these beautiful conversations over beautiful dinner setup gets us to an end where I had an amazing conversations while sipping some water, drinks, and of course munching some food. So chef से मुझे बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला, what's in the house, behind the bars and kitchen में क्या होता है, and also on the other hand being the author and food blogger, what does one person thinks before going to any restaurant club. So thank you so much both of you guys for joining over here, and thank you so much chef इतना अच्छा खाना बनाने के लिए, and thank you so much Karan
Yeah, for having
for taking out time and enjoying this meal with you. As I bid farewell to Illusion Club and Kitchen, I am leaving with a grin as wide as the dance floor and memories that will keep my spirit growing long after the night ends. The dazzling lights, the high energy beats, and the quirky vibe have made this evening unforgettable, stoking your anticipation for our next adventure. Until then, may the essence of illusion keep your nights as lively and exhilarating as this one. See you next time, where the fun continues and the rhythm never stops.